Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to turn off your location on Snapchat. And this is quite simple. So let's start with this quick tutorial, and if this tutorial was helpful, please smash a like. Alright, first of all, we have to go to our map because this is how my friends or people can see where I am. I want to turn this off, so I go to this setting button right in the top, and if you can see here, only my friends can see where I am. But I want to turn this one off, so I want to do a ghost mode until turn off, and now no one can see where I'm at. If I want to get it back so everyone can see where I'm at, then I have to turn this one off, and now only my friends can see where I'm at. Alright guys, thanks for watching this, have a wonderful day, and hopefully I will see you in the next tutorial. Ciao!